cold is getting worse.
A long time ago, in a galaxy far, far away, the Jedi Order was very worried about the cold of the chief master of craft.
Sammy, all you do is make fun of me. You better make me some hot tea.
Sorry, Sue, but I just finished rewatching Star Wars, and you know what? I got curious about one thing.
Which one? I know everything about Star Wars.
Master Yoda is an old white-haired wise man. Was he born like that?
Oh, of course not. Once he was small and a sweet child like everyone else.
Uh-huh. And played with dolls. Luke, I am your father.
Oh, don't put the doll away. Very soon you'll find out what Baby Yoda looks like.
Full of crafts is your way.
Hi guys! Today we'll bring joy to everyone who loves intergalactic space and make Baby Yoda from an old Bratz doll.
Sue, stop. Are you going to transform this old Bratz doll into the great Master Yoda?
Yes, Sammy. Very soon you'll see how Yoda looked in his childhood. First, we need to remove the hair from the doll.
Yep, I guess Yoda didn't have long hair even when he was young.
Very soon there won't be any hair. Don't worry.
But you know, I imagined Yoda with slick hair like Elvis Presley.
So the hair is gone, and now we'll need this sandpaper. We start rubbing the face of our doll.
Sue, are you sure you don't have a fever?
Sammy, I know what I'm doing. The preparation stage is very important.
Now I imagine how Yoda polished his head with sandpaper after he encountered Skywalker.
It was a one-time event. And now it's time to make those recognizable ears of Master Yoda. We will need soft polymer clay, which we'll use to create the look of our Yoda.
And why can't we use Play-Doh?
Because clay won't change its shape after it sets. This is exactly what we need. Plus, we can paint it as well. Now we'll give it the right shape. Ears are Yoda's most recognizable feature. Like this. One ear is ready, and we'll speed up with the second one. Here we go.
Sue, I know how to do sculpture magic too! Whoosh!
Oh, thanks, Sammy. The ears have set. Now we can attach them to the head of our baby.
Oh, if someone only dared to call him baby in the movies, they would be in real trouble.
When we're finished, you won't be able to call him any other way. He'll be super cute. So, here comes the second ear.
So far, this reminds me more of an angel whose wings relocated from her back onto her head.
Sammy, all you've been doing is criticizing. You better prepare the paint. We'll need it soon.
It's just my wild imagination. I don't see anything wrong here.
The ears are ready, but we still need to attach several more clay parts. This will create the shape of these typical arches over Yoda's eyes. It's also important to fix everything with the tool and smooth it out. And while Sam isn't watching, we'll use a bit more magic. Ah, exactly what we need. While Sam is preparing the paint, I will start shaping Yoda's head. Here you just need to be careful. Nothing special. And don't forget to always give clay some time to set. Dun dun da 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 da.
The real weapon of a galactic artist.
Oh, Sammy, why did you take the airbrush? I need it. We can already paint our doll. Look!
Ew, you threw me off the galactic artist mood.
Galactic artist? You know I like it.
If you like it, then paint it yourself.
Let it be so. Thanks, Sammy. I'm ready for the galactic painting, but first we need to protect the table from paint. Here we go. Oh, this is so cool. I've never painted with an airbrush before.
Sue, it's like a space blaster which shoots paint and brings beauty.
Well, beauty is still far away. This is just the base color. As you understand, we'll need other colors as well.
No problem, I will prepare everything now.
We'll need acrylic paint for the details, Sammy. We'll paint the eyes and the mouth. Stand up! So now it's time to paint the body. By the way, do you want to try it?
I'll be happy to. Come to me, future Yoda.
And I'll check which color Sam prepared. Brown and black will work for Yoda's eyes, and this green can highlight some features of our Yoda.
Painted and also set a bit already.
Great! Time to paint the eyes. Do it carefully not to stain the body. First, we make the brown contour.
Yep, everything according to the canon.
Here, it doesn't have to be thicker on the edges. And now we paint the rest of the eye black.
Sue, I'm sorry, but these eyes look wishy-washy and lifeless.
To animate them, Sammy, we'll add an important detail now. Much better, right?
Of course, I didn't think that white strokes could add soul to someone.
And now we need a brighter shade of green to draw Yoda's wrinkles.
I prepared a perfect color.
Yes, that's awesome. Yoda without small wrinkles on his face is not Yoda.
Yes, he's a born wise man. We even have something in common.
Like what?
The special understanding of life. Natural wisdom is a great gift and a burden, you know.
Oh, then tell me why, Sammy. What is happiness?
It's loyal subscribers who will always support you with a thumbs up.
Oh, then we're lucky. So the final strokes in our painting process.
Sue, did you think that if we're painting Yoda, then we should paint nails too?
No, this is exactly the very final touch that we need. We'll apply nail polish to the eyes to add a bit of shine.
Yoda's eyes made from nail polish? Who could ever imagine this?
Done!
I guess our Yoda's a little cold already.
Yes, it's high time to dress up our Yoda. I made the templates for clothing. Let's place them on the fabric to create Yoda's famous robe. And now, Sammy, it's time to show a little bit of real Jedi magic. Whoosh!
We couldn't do without magic while creating Yoda.
Let's start sewing our robe. First goes the base.
I wonder how they made Darth Vader's outfit. A needle clearly wasn't enough.
Right you are, but luckily with Yoda, it is much easier.
If it's easy, then let me sew this real quick.
And meanwhile, guys, I will show you this pendant for Yoda. We can't leave such a character without a special piece of jewelry. This pendant will give him even more Jedi power.
Yep, the pendant looks great. It wasn't bought on sale for sure.
Oh, Sammy, that was fast. That's how real Jedi power works. Whoa! You even added push buttons? Very cool.
Oh, thank you, thank you.
Let's try it on right away.
I'm sure it fits perfectly. It was made by a master.
Sammy, you're so modest.
What's wrong? It's true.
Guys, if you agree that Sam is a real master of everything, then give a thumbs up. And I just need to put this amazing pendant on our Yoda. And done! Sam, I see you want to make a comment. Go ahead.
Actually, I brought you some hot, refreshing tea, Susie.
Oh, that's so sweet. Thanks, Sammy.
When the rebels tried to crush the Master of Crafts, only one Jedi came to the rescue.
You couldn't resist it, right?
Sorry, Shoo, I just can't wait to see baby Yoda.
Let's go. I placed him near the other babies.
I think it came out awesome! By the way, do you feel any better, Sue?
Oh, yes, much better, Sammy. When you do the things you love, it helps.
Then this craft is also a healing one.
So you won't be calling me Darth Vader again? Guys, don't throw away old dolls. Try making a cute baby Yoda from them. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button.
All Jedi have already subscribed. Now it's your turn.
Bye-bye!